Number 1, are they considerate and respectful of the budget you have set? Number 2, are the salesmen knowledgeable and not pushy? Number 3, do they understand what you need in a car and are they willing to help you get it? Number 4, what is their referral and repeat business percentage? Number 5, what are the service contracts and warranties on their cars? And number 6, they need to provide you with a car rating or Carfax. Fortunately for you, your Car Crash Pain membership has forged an alliance with local car dealerships that have met the strict standards of CarCrashPain.com and are willing to courteously assist you in finding you a new or used vehicle. After you register as a member of CarCrashPain.com, just go to the links provided.